Alright, let's get out of here. That place, it smells like liberals. Fuck them all to death. Hey, what's up, Saber? Who's a good boy, Saber? Who's a good boy? Yeah. Maybe go to the mountains and enjoy the storm. Embrace the storm. Japanese Saber. That's how we roll. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. We have some skies here that are actually sunny and bright. That's nice. What's up, motherfuckers? Creepy Saber gun here. Creepy gun Saber. Creepy fuck you all to death motherfucker here. And I'm fucking back. And I'm gonna be bringing you all the stupid shit that I've been talking about before. Maybe even more. That was good. I hope nobody heard me. I would be embarrassed. I would be embarrassed for them being such cunts, so they hear Creepy Saber and don't ask for autograph. Fucking slim motherfucking balls of shit. Can you imagine that? Motherfucker, get over here and ask me to sign your dick. No homo. Yeah, I did it without clutching out. Huh? How crazy. How crazy, Creepy Saber. How crazy of you. You fucking crazy motherfucker. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna fucking filter the shit out of you motherfuckers. And you will be all like, hey, you couldn't do that. This is illegal. Anyway. What are we talking today? It's a friend special. What's up, everyone? If you're watching this video, I consider you my friend. And that means this special is for you. You motherfucker. Yeah, you're right there. Haha. Yes. So I'm just gonna have a little trip to the mountains, you know, just enjoy the ride. And I'm gonna talk about a little bit of my startup, a little bit of updates. And you know what? Just enjoy this Autistic shooting video while I'm going there. Okay, so this stage we need to start here and run uphill while shooting the targets. And this is how I imagine myself running that stage. Are you ready? Stand by. Beep! That's how you run it.
Jesus Christ!
Stand by. Okay.
I hope you like the video, because I would love the fuck out of this shit. Click like, subscribe just because of this Autistic piece, and I will bring you more in no time. So a friend asked me a question: how do you leave work on time? Like, basically, he has a family now, and he being an engineer and stay with the code, you wanna continue working on what you're working. But here's the thing, dude. Just do it. Just stick to the timer. No matter what you have, at 5:30, you have a timer going ding, ding, ding. You look at your work, you look at your Git. What up? You just commit your shit, you push it to the server, you go push some crack on the side, and you go home to your family. That's how I do it. That's how I would have done it. That's how I did it when I worked for a company. Now I work for myself, and I just work from home. So basically I just procrastinate all the time. It doesn't work at all. So I enjoy myself. Why couldn't you do the same? Just say fuck it. That's the thing. Just say fuck it. Like, anyway, on to the mountains. Take me to the mountain. Let's go. Damn, son. Damn, son. Where'd you find that? I need to like make a splash turn. A splash turn. You know what splash turn is? It's like when you turn, fart, and splash at the same time. Yep. I missed it. It was a good call, Morty. It was a good call, Morty. Just look at that, Morty. Isn't that gorgeous, Morty? It's your dad, Morty. He fucking sucks, Morty. He never would allow you to go in this place, Morty. He just sucks. Yeah, let's go, Morty. We have adventure. We have adventure, Morty. It's time to go to the mountain. It's to the mountain, Morty. Okay. Okay, I have a funny story. I have a funny story to tell you guys. So, I'm still playing DayZ from time to time, right? But I'm playing only on this PvP server where we already have all the guns and ammo and shit. So it's basically a tactical simulator for me. If you have recommendations for any other tactical simulators, just tell me. But basically, DayZ made me buy a scope for my rifle because I know that without a glass, in an open field like this, you're a dead man. You're dead. You're just dead. Your enemy will see you way before you can see them. So yeah, I've been playing, and there's this Russian guy comes in, and he's asking in Russian, like, "Hey, anybody Russian here?" And I'm like, "You sound like a faggot," in Russian. And he was like, "Oh my god, you're Russian, yo, let's go together." So we played together for a little bit, and then he said, "Yo, you want to join our clan?" I'm like, "Whatever, dude, I don't play that much." He's like, "Yeah, it's cool, let's just go to our server, it's cooler." So I go to his server, we go to his TeamSpeak, we play there a little bit, and he like messaged their clan leaders or whatever about me joining them. I didn't really ask him for this. I was like, "Yeah, dude, sure," just, you know, out of, you know, being nice to the guy. He's just a kid, like 16 years old. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just Gorgeous? Gorgeous! Yes! It is gorgeous! So yeah, we're chatting on the TeamSpeak server of their clan, and someone comes in and he sounds like he's super tough guy and stuff, but actually, from what they're talking to each other, I understand that he's a college student, and he's in the college right now with his laptop, and he's like, "Are you the new guy who wants to join our server?" And he says "Creepy Saber" like in a very stupid way. He says like a duper Saber, something like that, like totally retarded dude, doesn't even know how to pronounce shit in English. And I'm like, "That's Creepy Saber, that's how you say it." And he's like, "Whatever, dude, I will call you Meat Popsicle and you will listen to me." I'm like, "If you will call me a Meat Popsicle, I will tell you to go fuck yourself." He's like, "Oh yeah, oh yeah," and he starts like arguing with me, and I'm saying, "Yeah, dude, you like need to be nicer to people, you know? Like, I can give you life advice, if you will be nicer to people, it's like good for you, it would be beneficial and shit." And he basically kicks me out of the server. So I join again, and I tell him that he has a small dick, and then he kicks me again. And I join again, and I'm like, "Dude, you need to like learn how to use ban feature." So he kicks me a few times, and then finally he bans me. But then I use VPN and I join the server again. And I just start fucking trashing the guy. And I do it like 10 times. And then I like do it again, and I join the room where these two school kids are still playing. And I'm like, and they're like, "Hey, who's that?" And I'm like, "Hey, it's me, Creepy. I'm just messing with this Taran guy. He fucking sucks. Tell him he has a small dick." And they're like, "How did you do that? He banned you." I'm like, "Dude, I'm a software engineer. I use VPN. I can do whatever the fuck I want to this guy. He's my bitch." And they're like, "Oh my god, I told you can bypass a TeamSpeak ban." And I'm like, "Yeah, you can." And another guy's like, "Hey, what's VPN? What's VPN?" So I messed around with them for a little bit, and I just went to bed. It was 3 a.m. Yeah, I need to fix my schedule, I know. Just a little funny story, guys. Some people you meet on the internet, the guy, he felt like he's like a military commander or something. On their server, on their TeamSpeak server, they had this rank system, and he was like vice commander. And he probably thought that this is like his little army or some shit. and the funniest thing, their clan is called Saber. Saber in Russian means basically SWAT. He thinks he's a fucking military. Stupid retard. Oh, look at that. That's just so gorgeous. Wake me up before you go. Would you look at my metering slow? I just love to ride my bike, yo, especially in the mountains tonight. So wake me up before you go. My bike can dance if you take it slow. Wake me up before you go. I just try not to crash in that car. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Creepy Saber, little happy motherfucker. Ta-ta-ta-da, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Guys, you totally should go to Utah. Ta-ta-ta-ta. The place is awesome. I'm fucking losing my shit just riding here. Brake check! Brake check! Brum brum! Brake check! Brum brum! Brake check! My engine is my brake, so I check it! Brum brum! Yeah! Yes! Oh my god, the spring in Utah, man! The spring in Utah is the fucking best shit in the world! It's all green, it has fucking snow, I'm in the fucking Weber County, I'm so fucking happy! I need to go to some resort or some shit, I need to go there! Hello, it's kinda like, oh wait, can I go there and it will be snowing? Dudes, we're going snowing! Hope you enjoyed my attempts at making music. And we're going to a snow basin, and apparently every time you go to snow basin, it fucking snows there, and it snows in your soul. Deep in your soul. You got a snowstorm coming. Take it with a grain of snow. I mean salt. I mean cocaine, of course! What am I talking about? Cocaine, motherfuckers! Don't do drugs, kids. They will make you crazy. And by the way, cocaine, it doesn't give you 1/10 of the happiness that you can have just riding a bike here. Because this is yeah. Just wiping my camera, just in case, if it's all dirty and shit. Asphalt feels nice. It's nice. I hope I will not crash. That would suck. Oh shit, I fucked up my visor even more. Ah! Ah! Get out of here! I made an angel though. Oh shit, I just slipped a little bit. I need to be careful not to crash myself. Don't need that kind of popularity on my YouTube. No sir. I love it. Love it. I remember back in California, we went to the mountains, had an epic day snowboarding. It was Christmas, I think, 2015. It was awesome, but the storm came in when we were leaving the mountain, and I crashed my car, bent the rear axle of my right rear wheel. It was funny. After that, I got my Subi in. Oh man, I cannot see shit. I need to like get out of here. My face is getting numb. That's not nice. Uh-oh. I'm losing visibility completely. I have to stop. I just lost full visibility completely. Just cannot see shit. Ugh. Where the fuck am I? I hope there are no cars around here. Okay, so removing glasses and using my face shield actually works from seeing good. Uh-oh, no, my visor is fucked. Okay, how about my microvisor? Where's my microvisor? Oh my god, I'm losing vision! Can't see shit! No, it's bad. It's super bad. My eyes hurt. Alright, boys and girls, I apologize for little technical difficulties here. got a little bit messed up in snow. In the middle of a nowhere in some fucking mountain. It was awesome. I've been losing. So it took me like 10 minutes to get out of there, where I could finally see something. Basically, was going blind completely, and yeah, just gonna warm up here a little bit. Changed my camera battery because the fucker died, and that's what it does when it gets all scary and shit. GoPro is just like, nope, I'm gonna die, fuck it. It's okay. I have my trusty Saber, my concealed carry gun here with me, and these are all friends I ever need. I'm like 5 minutes away from where the visibility would be almost fine for motorcycle riding. I just need to go there. Need to go to the west. But it was a fun adventure, dudes. I told you I'm gonna go to the mountains. I told you I'm gonna go into the snow, and I delivered, huh? You can trust Creepy Saber. Creepy Saber got your back. Yeah, let's go. And we are getting out of here. Oh, I have all vision. I have all the visibility I need. Yeah, that's just perfect. It's so much better. So much better than on the mountain. I guess I'm still a little bit on the mountain, or in a pre-mountain, or I don't know, but I can see the road actually 200 meters in front of me. That's just perfect. Alright, still losing visibility. I guess I'll be back to you guys when I figure out if I survive or not. Wish me luck. Wet here. That was a nice adventure. That was super exciting. Love it, love it. My fingers are freezing a bit. Ooh, I can smell fire. That's just such a warm smell. I'm freezing myself. That's so cold. Well, good thing I'm not thirsty at all. Because I ate so much snow and rain. I hope you like the view. I hope you can actually see something in the GoPro. It's all wet and nice. Just like we like it, guys, right? Oh, it's sketchy. That turn was kind of sketchy. Hey, River! What's up? Alright, I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. I hope you actually enjoyed it much more, because physically I kind of got tortured by it, and it's all for you. All for you, Ivan. Yeah, take my advice. Just fuck it, dude. Totally fuck it. And just set a timer. Set an alarm. And go home. Push the waterfall! It's so majestic. Look at it. Isn't it just gorgeous, huh? It's gorgeous. I will not stop, sorry guys. It's just too cold, I need to go home. But the waterfall looks awesome. Even through my windshield that's totally fogged up. It looks good, it looks great. We have the best waterfalls. It's huge! Alright, Creepy Saber out. Peace! Oh, I should have made a gesture. Creepy Saber out. Peace!